Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with the fast, essential steps so you don't chase the wrong problem. First, check volume and left/right balance in accessibility. An off balance often mimics hardware failure. Next, physically inspect the plug and port lint or corrosion blocks contact. Then restart both the phone and the headphones and immediately test on a second device. This tells you whether the fault is the headphones or the source. Once done, you'll know which deeper path to follow. Now you run the hands on diagnostics to isolate the fault. For wired sets, gently wiggle the cable near connectors while playing audio to spot intermittent contact. If detachable, swap the cable. For wireless models, update firmware and reset Bluetooth pairing. Many one-side failures are software or codec related. Also toggle mono audio to confirm both drivers still work. That tells you if one driver is dead. Make sure to fully charge device. You close the process with resets and the decision steps. Perform the factory reset for your model, then repair and test. Many glitches clear on reset. If one driver stays silent after all checks, inspect for visible damage and pursue warranty repair or replace the earbud or cable. Before you buy new gear, make one last check. Try another music app, a different adapter, or a known good cable. Occasionally the fault is the accessory, not the headphones.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.